Hello guys, so today in this video I'm going to show you how do you find and share your LinkedIn profile link. So for that, firstly log into your LinkedIn account. So I've logged into mine. So once you've logged in, click on your name or your profile picture here and click on view profile. Just want you to get into your profile. So once you get into your profile, what you have to do is you will see an option here called more. Select that, click on it, and then there's an option here, send profile in a message. Click on that. So if you click on that here, you'll be able to see the link to your profile. So that's the link to your profile. That's how you find it. And if you want to share this, you can share it to whoever you want in your LinkedIn Messenger here. So you can type whoever you want to send, and you can send it to them. Or else, what you can do is you can also copy this link, all right, and then share it in wherever platforms however you want, like for example in a Facebook or in WhatsApp or Twitter or even in a Gmail. However you want, you can just copy and paste this link. Hope this video is helpful. So, and I will see you guys in another video.